When the mint process is done, we then should be able to set the NTAG. Oh, sorry, it would be better if I show it to you. Start device provisioning. Currently is still joining. As soon as we get this line, we should be able to curl the data. For this, we will use this command. Once again, there we have to use the PID-ZK-AVM hash because this is the identifier to get the data for the specific sensor device. This is just a normal curl command, which then gets piped into queue. JQ is a library which makes it possible to print our output directly in form of a JSON file. Currently it's empty because the initializing process is still running, but I'm optimistic it should be initialized soon. Now we are sending data and we can call it perfectly. Here we see the data which will be provided by this sensor. We have the data verified field, the gateway SSI field, a humidity field, which currently is measuring the humidity inside of my room. We have a pressure sensor. We have temper closed. So we have a sensor which, in my opinion, says if the sensor device has been opened in some time. Here we have a temperature value, and here we can see the validated value. You can see currently the value is 1, which say the NFC tag is directly connected with the sensor.